I know you're going to be here. Welcome and congratulations for taking your first step into learning how to become a virtual assistant. My name is Juvina Quirkes. I am a virtual assistant myself, and I'm here to share my knowledge related to freelancing and virtual assistant. So if this topic interests you, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you will be updated on my next upload. In this video, I will share with you how I started my career as a virtual assistant. And just for the record, I am a Filipina, grew up in the Philippines, and I live particularly in Mindanao area. So I speak Bisaya, I speak Cebuano, and Tagalog. The reason I'm speaking in English is because I do have audience from across the world. Just want to make sure that they can relate and they can understand me and also they can learn from my channel. So I'll start my story by telling you that I work on a BPO company. So I was a customer service back then, and I was there for a year and a half. And after that, I think that working on a BPO company is not healthy for me, and it was a bit toxic, so I resigned. But I learned a lot from those experience, from those from those months that I've been there. And it doesn't mean that I am fluent in English. No, I'm not. Sometimes I can't even pronounce the word correctly, but I've gained a lot of experience there. It was my first graveyard shift. It was my first like long term experience on working. And I remember I was 18 years old when I started my career as a VA, working from graveyard and all that. But VA or virtual assistant is too different from BPO company or call center agent. So after I resigned, few months after, I met a friend and she introduced me to freelancing. That's how everything changed. That's how my life being changed. So I don't know the task was. I don't know the job is about. She just told me that she has a client and she wants me to work. Now I want you to know this that I don't have any laptop, nor computer, nor Wi Fi, nor headset, nor microphone, nothing. I just have me and my confidence. Yes. So I don't have anything. I just have my a little bit of confidence and then that's it. So she told me Monday you go to my house, I need to go to their place because she's gonna train me. All right. So when I get there, she explained to me what the job was, and the client is a real asset investor. So I'll be doing cold calling. I was a bit nervous because it was my first time, and even though I have experience talking on foreign people over the phone, but this one is different. So I was a bit nervous, and at the same time, I was excited as well because I'll be working from their home, not my home, but their home. But she's our neighbor actually, so it's just a walking distance from our house. So it's still kind of feel at home. Anyway, after that, again, I don't have any computer, laptop, or anything. So she has extra, so she let me borrowed her equipment or tools, and then I work from their home, not our home. Every night for 2 years, I work at their place. It's 2 years, guys. It's 2 years. And I can still remember when I started, my pay grade was $1. Yeah, I'm telling you this $1. But this time $1 is very lowball. And I don't think that it's a good thing to take it, you know. Um yeah, but during those times, during it has been I think almost 10 years now. I am 29. I started when I was 18, so it's way, way, way a long time ago. So $1 is not acceptable. I'm telling you that. Don't you ever accept $1 offer. Yes. Okay, so after that one, I don't have any experience, but I still made it. Like it was a part-time job, and I was so glad that I took the job. I took the challenge. I challenged myself, and I learned because Without those challenges that I have tried working and learning new things, new skills, I wouldn't be where I am at right now. I was just so happy. And also, after that one, I become a social media manager, but again, don't have any experience. Yes. So, since I don't have any experience working on social media, it was a bit of a challenge for me. However, I took it because I want to learn new skills, I want to improve, and I am very resourceful. I always look free things online, free training materials online. And if you are a resourceful person, sorry, if you are a resourceful person, definitely I'm 100% sure that you can find free training materials online, just like I did. Yes. So if you want also to get more insight, or if you have any questions, you can leave your comment on the you can leave your questions in the comment section, or you can join my Facebook group community. It's free and you can ask your questions there. So I will be the one to answer you personally. And also, there are a lot of people just like you aspiring to be a virtual assistant or even a virtual assistant but wants to upskill, wants to learn new skills. So you are welcome there. Make sure that you join. I will be I'm also giving free training materials on my community. So I want you to be there. I want you to be there for you to learn more about virtual assistant. And since that you are still here watching this video, I am definitely sure that you are interested. Yes? Yes? All right. So also I have created a social media beginner's guide. It's a fundamental of social media, and I believe it is very important for you to know the fundamental because that's how you start. Without those fundamental knowledge, you cannot start your social media career. I'm 100% sure. Most of my clients who purchase my guides, they say that they are learning a lot from that guide, guys. So if you wanna get a copy, link is on the description box below, and it is on a 50% discount right now. Just message me on Facebook. Link is in my bio for my Facebook account. If you want to grab it and if you want to avail 50% discount, message me on my Facebook group. I'm sorry, message me on my Facebook account, my personal Facebook account. Link is in the description box below. And, and just send me a message like can you, like whatever you want to send me, for as long as you will tell me that you want to avail the discount, so I can give it a discount code. It's 50% off. Okay, if you want to get it 50% off, and message me on Facebook, on my Facebook account. So again, I want you to join my community for you to have more insight, and if you for you to collaborate with other virtual assistants, and we will be learning more. I will learn from you, and you will learn from me. We will be learning from each other, and it's gonna be interesting. So that's pretty much it, and I'll see you on the other side. I'll see you on the Facebook group community. I hope to see you there. Okay. Also, I think that that would be it. And if you have any questions related to this content video that I have right now, leave that one on the comment section, and I'll be answering all your questions myself. Thank you so much for watching, and I really appreciate you taking the time to finish watching my video. And I cannot thank you enough for still being here and watching. So, again, if you have any question, leave your questions on the comment section. Check the links on the description box below for my personal account or for my community, and for the link where you can get the copy of social media beginner's guide. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. So once I uploaded the videos, related to virtual assistant, you will be the first one to get notified, okay? If you have any questions, if you have anything that you want me to talk about, leave that one on the comment section. Don't be shy. If you are Bisaya, if you are Cebuano, if you speak Tagalog, just leave that one on the comment section. If you don't, if you are not comfortable speaking in English, that's totally fine. Ask me in Tagalog, ask me in Bisaya, and we'll take it from there. So again, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Thank you once again for watching. My name is Jovina, and you have an awesome day.